Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my Tulab Lukat Arabi, my Arabic learners. Now, welcome to another part of our Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's topic, we're going to be using Anzur. That is Anzur. That's Anzur. That's what Anzur. That's I'm looking. That's I'm looking. It means I'm looking. That we are going to use Anzur to form different sentence. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, and comment. So now we have Anzuru. Let's move on. I have Anzuru that I'm looking, which is the present verb. Anzuru, let's say Anzuru ila sama, that I'm looking at the sky. Anzuru ila sama. That's what Anzuru. Anzuru ila sama. Anzuru ila sama. That's I'm looking at the sky. That's I'm looking. I'm looking at what's at the sky. Anzuru ila sama. I'm looking at the sky. Now, let's use Anzuru. Anzuru ila al-ard. That's Anzuru ila al-ardi. Anzuru ardi. That's I'm looking. I'm looking at the what? Anzuru ila al-ard. That I'm looking at the land. That's ardu, which is what? Which is ardu, land. Anzuru now. That is I'm looking. That is the past. That is present. Present form. That is I'm doing this right now. Anzuru ila samai. Then let's say anzuru ilayhi. That's what anzuru ilayhi. That's anzuru ilayhi. That's I'm looking at him. Anzuru ilayha. That's anzuru ilayha. That's I'm looking at her. Anzuru ilayha. That is I'm looking at her. Anzuru ilayha. That I'm looking at her. Then let's use ma'ajmalu. Ma'ajmal. That's what a beautiful. That is an exclamation. That is ma'ajmalu. That's ma'ajmalu. That is what ma'ajmal means. What's a beautiful. Now, ma'ajmalu sayarat. Ma'ajmalu sayarat. Ma'ajmalu sayarat. Ma'ajmalu sayarat. It means what? What's a beautiful car. What's a beautiful car? Ma'ajmalu sayarat. What's a beautiful car? Then ma'ajmalu imrat. Ma'ajmalu imrat. Ma'ajmalu imrat. That's what's a beautiful girl. What's a beautiful girl? Ma ajmalu imrat. What's a beautiful girl? Ma ajmalu rajulu. Ma ajmalu. That's ma ajmalu. Ma ajmalu rajulu. That is what's a beautiful. I mean, it's or what's a beautiful what's beautiful man. Then we don't use beautiful for man. We use we rather use what handsome. That's a what an handsome man. Ma ajmal rajul. That's a ma ajmal rajul. Ma ajmal imat. Ma ajmal sayarat. That are what a beautiful car. Ma ajmal kitab. That are ma ajmal kitab. What a beautiful book. Ma ajmalu. Ma ajmalu. Ma ajmal kitab. That are what a beautiful what a beautiful book. Ma ajmalu kitab. What a beautiful book. Now ma ajmalu qalam. Ma ajmalu qalam. Ajmalu. Ma ajmalu qalam. Now what's a beautiful what pen. Ma ajmalu qalam. What's a beautiful pen. So ma ajmal, that's what a beautiful noun. You can use this ma ajmal to form some different phrases on your own. So these are what we have for today's class. See me in my next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and then make comments.